Listen, brother. I don't know you, and you don't know me.
I don't know you. You don't know me.
It's all good. It's all good.
Okay, brother.
So.
All right. I just wanted to make sure we go on the up and up. That's all. I don't know you. You don't know me.
Yeah.
I have a duty to make sure that we're safe.
Oh yeah, yeah. See something, say something. I don't mind asking. That's fine.
Simple as that. Okay.
Yeah.
All right, brother. Have a good one.
You too.
Welcome everyone, and thanks for watching this update video. Here we have an email sent to me from someone named Consultant, but it's probably Sergeant Hines. Someone also made a privacy complaint to YouTube around the same time. Here, I dropped off a FOIA request on May 15th and finally received all the requested information over 2 months later. Part of the delay was the chief and city attorney demanding my identification to pick up the information. In the FOIA package, I received this radio log. By the way, it shows there was a third unit dispatched to the Armory, and they stayed for about an hour. This is the event report. Notice the comment left by Macy Jack. He called me uncooperative and hostile. And lastly, here comes the 911 call from Sergeant Hines with some of the dashcam footage. Enjoy.
CRESTWOOD Police, can I help you?
Hey, how you doing, ma'am? This is Sergeant First Class Hines with the Illinois Army National Guard in CRESTWOOD. And I was calling because we have like a suspicious dude who's out here filming the Armory. It's not really that big of an emergency, which is the reason why I called this number, but I did approach him and ask him what exactly he was doing. He was being really, really evasive, sort of weird, you know what I mean? So we sort of just locked everything down.
Okay.
And I was wondering if at some point in time if you could send somebody here.
Yeah, we can send somebody. What's the address?
It's 13838 South Springfield Avenue.
Okay, is he white, black, Hispanic, Arab?
He's a white male, probably about 6 feet. He's walking around with an umbrella along with a camera, like on a camera holder.
Like a tripod or?
Not a tripod, but it's like almost like a how do I describe it? It's like his phone is connected to
like
it
a
along with
selfie
the
stick?
Sort of
Sort of?
something like that. Correct.
Okay. Do you know what he's wearing at all?
He has on it looks like a veteran's cap. It's like a subdued flag, and it's sort of like a bluish, blackish color.
Okay.
Hat. He's wearing like blue jeans along with like brown boots, and he has a huge umbrella. I think it might have been a Callahan umbrella.
Okay. And your name again?
Sergeant First Class Leonard Hines, Hines.
And the phone number there?
You can call me on my cell. It's 630-452-9207.
Okay. Okay, we'll send the police over there.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Bye.
Oh yeah, sorry, sir. Are you still recording? If you'd like to keep recording, I just wanted to advise you though. At this point forward, we are told we've already confirmed with them, that if you step foot on their property at all in any way, so this property or that property, they will have you arrested for trespass. Okay? I just want to let you, so we're all on the same page.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so have a good day, sir.
Just for today or any day?
They do not want you back there on this property at all.
So I can never sign up?
That's as far as sign up with the recruiter, wherever. They don't want you on this property or that property.
I think I'm too old.
Huh?
I'm too old. All right.
All right, so I'm just telling you, so I don't want to see anybody get jammed up. God bless, sir. Have a blessed day.
Thank you.
One more thing before I end this video. I sent this very professional email to the Crestwood Police Chief on Monday. In this email, I basically gave him a chance to correct the problem in his department by educating 3 of his officers. The chief did not reply to this email. You guys be the judge. Let me know in the comments who should get an official complaint. Thanks for watching.